Hi, I'm Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Louisville. Once again, we're talking Scarab boats, another 165, really cool little boat. This boat's 150 horsepower and a 16-foot package, easily has seating for 4 or 5 people. Got some really cool features on the boat. We ordered it with an upgraded stereo system, amplifier, it's got subwoofer, really cool driver control system here with digital readout, speed control system, lots of storage in the boat, obviously lots of performance. It's got a really cool wakeboard tower on the boat with a bimini top. Tower folds down really easily if you're going to put this in a garage. It does come with a full mooring cover if you are going to store it outside. Great access to the engine. The engine's really easy to get to. Some real good storage on both sides of the engine in the back of the boat. So you got storage there, you got storage in the console, you got storage under the seats. For this size of boat, it's a lot of fun in a small package. It looks good, it looks sporty. Great sea deck on the back. You got a great little transom platform getting in and out of the boat, putting skis on, whatever. Plenty of space for that. Once again, Scarab 165, you can't beat it for the fun and the money. Come by and see us at MarineMax in Louisville or visit us on MarineMax.com.